My name is Phil Milroy. I have a company called Westcor. We're in the real estate development and investment business. I'm lucky enough to have to fly a CJ3. It's a 2007 model I bought new, and about 3 or 4 years ago I upgraded it with both Fusion avionics as well as the Tamarack winglets. It was a very easy process. Both were installed at the same time at Duncan, and I'm thrilled that I actually made that move. What I get is significantly increased performance, particularly in the climb, and reduced fuel flow both in the climb and then in cruise. So it's very, very typical in Canada, where we will be at ISA plus 10 to ISA plus 15 in the wintertime particularly. And the airplane goes right to 450, even if you take off at full gross. And 5 minutes after getting there, you're up on step. And once you're 2,000 or 3,000 pounds under max gross, you're pulling the power back, and the airplane is probably saving about 6 or 7% fuel. I've got roughly 10 flights in my logbook that were 2,200 nautical miles, landing with anywhere from 700 to 1,100 pounds of fuel after 2,200 air miles. I don't pull the power back. I bought the airplane to go fast, and I run it as close to the red line as I can manage. The other benefit that very few people talk about is that you land 8 to 10 knots slower than you normally would, which means you're turning off the runway without hitting the brakes hard. We all bought these things to expedite travel, and there's nothing like these winglets for doing that. And it has made an already wonderful airplane a fabulous airplane. So thank you, Tamarack.